What's up, guys? I got an amazing tool I want to share with you guys today. It's from Gearwrench. It's their bolt biters. These things are super awesome, and I will show you why. If you guys have a rounded off fastener, these things are the answer. So get out here and take a look at this bad boy. All right, guys, so Gearwrench sent me these to do a demo on and show you guys how they work. So here we are. These are the 84782. This is a part number. It's an 8-piece extraction set from Gearwrench. They're dual sockets, if you will. They work for metric and standard, so you only really need one set. And Gearwrench offers a huge selection of these, from a small set to a large set. These here are 1/4 and 3/8 drive. And I want to show you guys what makes these things so awesome. If you'll look on the side of them, they're clearly marked, and I do like that little decorative ring that they got on there to help you find them if you do drop them. But you can see this is a 19 or 3/4. What is cool about the way Gearwrench done this one is a 19 minus or 3/4 minus. That means it is for severely damaged fasteners. For fasteners that are rounded off more so than the original size that they started with, which is pretty cool. And what I have here is a demo block. These are 19s and these are 10s. You can see these are the same way, 10 and 10 minus. All right, let's get the larger ones and let you look inside them, and that way you can see what kind of sets these apart away from other turbo sockets, if you will. They're bi-directional. That means you can take fasteners off or put fasteners on. That is way ahead of a lot of the fasteners or a lot of the removal tools that's on the market today. Most of them are just fluted at an angle, so they're only good for removing fasteners. There's no way to put them back on. In some instances, you may have to reuse a damaged fastener for whatever reason. If you can't get one or whatever, these will work in either direction. The good thing is, with the bi-directional design that they are, if you are working with a left hand or right hand thread type bolt, these are the answer to all the trouble. Another amazing feature with these, they can be used with a ratchet or with an impact. They're not just hand tool oriented. Another plus of these, you don't have to beat them on with a hammer like you do a lot of the older or different style extractors. These simply sit on top of the fastener exactly like a normal socket would. The awesome thing is you don't have to beat them out with a punch or a chisel like you used to the old fluted type turbo sockets. These easily remove. So let's take a look at these things, and I want to show you how well they bite. Now this is their demo board that they sent with it. This started its life as a 3/4 bolt or a 19 bolt, and this one is even more severely damaged. You can see this one is pretty much a round bolt at this point. These here are the 10 millimeters. So it is designed to be used for use with a ratchet. So I have a 3/4 inch ratchet, and I have a 1/4 inch ratchet to use on this side. Or you can use them with an impact, which is totally amazing. Here's a 1/4 inch impact. Here's a 3/8 inch impact. The life expectancy of these are 10 times longer than any other removal socket, turbo socket, extraction socket, whatever you want to call it. 10 times longer the life than your traditional extractors. They have 5 times the gripping force as any other extractor set on the market. But it's all backed right here by Gearwrench's lifetime warranty. Guys, anytime you can buy a tool and use it for life, and it be guaranteed, especially something that's designed for extracting tools or damaged fasteners, that's a win-win. All right, guys, you can see this one is pretty round, but this one's even more rounded off, if that's a real word. But we'll start out with a 19, the regular one, and you can use it with a ratchet or an impact. Now, since we're all mechanics, and most mechanics want to grab an impact just for time saving, that's what we'll do. See how easy that goes on? And you can see it is turning the bolt. And they are bi-directional, so let's tighten it. You can see it's turning. A little rocking back and forth, and she come off there. They're not near as hard as having to drive them out, I will give them that. And you can see where it still gripped that fastener as much as it's rounded off. So this is the 19, and we're going to try it on the more severely rounded off one, and it still grabs, but you can see I'm turning it by hand and it's still slipping. So there's where you would grab the 19 minus. We use this one with a ratchet. I don't know if I can hold it still while I look down in there. You see the bolt's turning. And put it forward. If I can hold it still for the camera, because I know it's see if you can look right here. Maybe it'll show the bolt. Yeah, you can see the bottom of the bolt turning. So it's biting and doing its job in either direction. Way easier. All right, what I have here is a standard 10mm. You can see the name brand on it right here. It's supposed to be one of the best gripping sockets on the market, and you can see that is the new design. So we will put that on the not as rounded and see if it'll even turn. Slipping. Slipping. All right, so let's try it on the severe rounded one. And you can see all we're doing is spinning our wheels. It's not gripping on either one of them. Let's try the other direction. Nothing. Not turning it at all. Same thing with the 10mm. This is the 10. You can see it's got some little edges on it, and this one is completely rounded off. So you'd want to use like the regular 10mm there. Same story. That's a 3/8 drive. How about that? Turning it. Reverse. Forward. No issues. Let's try this one on the really severely rounded off. You see she's just spinning like there ain't no tomorrow. 10 minus. Turning her right on through. Go the other way. Good as gold. And it pulled right off. So that just shows how well these sockets are designed to work. They work. You guys seen it. That is terrible. Like, that's really bad. And they did an excellent job at removing them. There'll be some links down in the description to Gearwrench where you guys can take a look at these products. Like I said, this is the packaging, what it'll look like when you order them. And there's your part number. They come on the little socket rail. 5 times the gripping power, 10 times the life when used as an impact, and lifetime warranty. Can't really beat that. You sure can't complain about it. Anyway, guys, that's my video today. Hopefully, you'll check out the links below. You'll pick you up some of these bolt biters, and that way you can work on junk like this and still end up having a good day. Thanks for watching, guys. Like always, hit that thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. It's totally free and don't cost you a dime. That way you can always see the latest, greatest tools. You guys have a great one, and we'll catch y'all next time.